Our top focus, the demonetization drive seems to be paying off for the BJP in polls after Maharashtra. It's another big victory for the BJP in Chandigarh municipal polls. Scenes of celebrations at BJP offices in Chandigarh. Results announced for 24 out of 26 seats. BJP plus Akali Alliance win 20. 19 for the BJP, 1 for the Akali, and Congress managed to get just 4 seats. The civic poll sweep is significant as it comes ahead of Punjab Assembly poll scheduled to take place next year. A big win for the BJP Akali Alliance. In fact, the BJP managing 19 seats on its own. Results for 24 out of 26 municipal seats have been announced. The Congress managing to get only 4 of these seats. The results are extremely significant considering that Punjab will be going to polls next year in a hotly contested election. It was believed to be earlier a tripartite fight between the AAP, the BJP and the Congress, but the BJP once again establishing its power in Chandigarh municipal polls, managing to win 19 seats. Akali has won 1 seat. Results for 24 out of 26 seats have been announced. We're trying to connect to our reporter Manjeet Sehgal, who will give us the latest. We'll also find out whether the BJP has retained power or there's been a shift of power in Chandigarh. After Maharashtra, this is another big victory for the BJP in the Chandigarh municipal polls. Like critics say that it's the demonetization drive that's working in favor of the BJP. Quite surprising, as critics have been criticizing the manner in which the drive has been implemented. In spite of that, a big win for the BJP and the Akali Dal in Chandigarh municipal polls. We have Manjeet Sehgal, who's with us live from Chandigarh. Manjeet, the BJP Akali Alliance managing to win 20 out of 26 seats. Have they retained power? Are you seeing a shift in power? Who managed to get the maximum number of seats in the last election?
हाँ जी बॉस।
Manjeet, can you hear me?
नहीं फोन पे नहीं हो सर।
We're going to try and reconnect with Manjeet Sehgal, our correspondent who will get us live updates from Chandigarh. The BJP Akali combined has bagged 20 out of 26 seats in the Chandigarh municipal polls. Results for 24 seats have been announced so far. The Congress has managed to win just 4 seats. These are pictures of celebrations from outside the BJP headquarters in Chandigarh. Manjeet, if you can hear me, I want to find out if the BJP Akali Alliance have managed to retain their seats. Are you seeing a shift in power in Chandigarh municipal polls?
Yes, indeed, the BJP has managed to win a thumping majority in Chandigarh municipal elections. It has won nearly 20 seats out of 26 seats, and two of the results are yet to be announced. The BJP Chandigarh President Sanjay Tandon has said that demonetization drive was one of the issues which helped the party to win the municipal elections. People have voted in favor of demonetization, as the Congress though had raised this issue during these elections, but it failed to woo the voters.
And Manjeet, in the last elections, how many seats did the BJP Akali manage to win, and how many had the Congress managed in the last elections?
Well, BJP has added additional 12 seats this time, and Congress has lost 11 seats. At last time, BJP had won 8 seats and Congress had won 15 seats. So BJP has managed to win the elections with these issues. Now the BJP leaders are also saying that not only the demonetization drive but also the developmental issues affected these elections, and the party was forward to the victory.
Manjeet, stay on with you. Also getting in some reactions from some of the winners. Let's take a look.
You are going to repeat municipal corporation body in Chandigarh. What are the factors which led to the victory, sir?
Basically, I am thankful to the citizens of Chandigarh who have reposed their faith in BJP. And as per the initial results, we have already won 18 seats out of 24 results declared. And I am thankful to all the voters. In times to come, BJP will do even better for the development of the city, for the betterment of the area as a whole. I am sure the way the central government is working and this union territory works directly under the central government, we have much more things to bring here to the city.
Do you think the current demonetization drive has helped you?
I think the Congress raised this issue too much and they have failed miserably on this. Most of the people of this city, they have still supported BJP even after this demonetization.
We have Manjeet Sehgal, who's with us live from Chandigarh this afternoon. Manjeet, considering that this is a big win for the BJP and Akali, of course their morale will be boosted ahead of the assembly elections next year. Do you think that these numbers are going to sort of reflect the mood in Punjab?
Yes, indeed, of course, these elections will influence the Punjab and UP elections, as people are eagerly waiting for the impact of the demonetization drive. That is what the BJP leaders also claimed here, that this small victory may influence the Punjab elections, as the people are people were waiting for the impact of the demonetization drive. And the opposition parties clearly in Chandigarh municipal elections failed to woo the voters by raising the issue of demonetization drive.
And Manjeet, what were the big poll issues in these municipal elections? The Congress has actually ended up losing 11 seats, you're telling us.
Well, all we know that the the civic polls are largely influenced by the developmental issues. The issues range from sector to sector, and from small issues to the bigger ones, development issues. But this time, the BJP was raising the demonetization drive issue and was telling the people that how it will benefit them. We also heard speeches of Narendra Modi, which were being played in every ward, and the BJP leaders were telling the people that this will help flush out the black money, and this will be the victory of the common people. And at the same time, Congress also tried to raise the negativity of this issue, but the Congress failed to woo the voters. At Chandigarh is a city of educated people, and nearly 60% people voted during these elections. And
all right, Manjeet, I'm afraid we're having some trouble on that line with you. Celebrations on outside the BJP office in Chandigarh. Manjeet telling us it's a big victory for the BJP. The Congress has lost 11 seats. The BJP and Akali combined have managed to win almost 20 seats out of 26. Results for 24 seats have been announced.